Now you're ready to install, and this will be a breeze. When you receive your perfect shade, the bracket will come attached to the mechanism. Simply flip the lever to remove the bracket, and you're ready to install. Along with the Roman shades, you will also receive your installation instructions and all the screws and brackets that you need. For an outside mounting, install the window bracket into the wall above the window frame. For inside mountings, install the bracket into the ceiling of your window frame, at least ½ inch deep. Also included in your package are wall mounts, which are required for installation into drywall. If you are installing your brackets into wood, you only need screws. Hold the window bracket about 3 inches from the edge of the window frame and mark with a pencil the spots where the screws should go. Do the same on the opposite side. If you have a wider window, also install an additional bracket in the middle of your window frame. Now that you have marked the holes, you are ready to install the brackets. Now, this step is optional, but we recommend that you pre-drill your holes to avoid cracking the wood in your window frame. Place the mechanism, which is the top part of the shade, into the brackets and flip the lever to secure it. When attaching your Roman shade, place the piping above the mechanism to ensure there are no gaps. If your Roman shade came with a chain, it is important to attach the safety chain lock. After you raise your Roman shade and attach the safety lock to your chain, install it in the middle of your window frame, making sure that the chain is tense enough.